Are you ready to unlock financial freedom without spending a single penny? Stick around, because I'm about to reveal a groundbreaking strategy that will completely change how you think about making money online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access over 12,500 free courses and PDFs legally and without any copyright issues, and then sell these courses for 100% profit. That's right, you can make money off these resources without spending a dime on content creation. Intrigued? Let's dive in. First off, let's explore a platform called idplr.com. This site is a goldmine of private label rights, PLR products, which means you can legally resell them and keep 100% of the profit. Imagine having access to over 12,500 products, ranging from ebooks and reports to software and video courses. Some people are making hundreds of thousands of dollars each month using this method. To get started, sign up for a free account on IDPLR. Once you're in, head over to the categories section, where you'll find a plethora of options to choose from. The best part? You don't need to create any content yourself. Next, let's talk about how to pick the best products to sell. Focus on video tutorials and courses. They tend to perform exceptionally well. When browsing, make sure to check the release date to ensure the content is current and relevant. You don't want to sell outdated material. Look for courses that align with popular niches like affiliate marketing or online business strategies. Once you've found a course you like, dive into the details to ensure it covers topics relevant to your audience. Verify that you have the rights to sell the course. Remember, some terms might prohibit giving away the course for free or adding it to free membership sites. Your goal is to sell these courses, which is perfectly fine, and you get to set your own price. After confirming the course details, download it. If you're having trouble finding free products, go to the free products section and select free videos. Once you have the video course downloaded, it's time to move to the next platform. On Payhip is straightforward. Once you're in, you can use their tools to market your content to your audience. Whether you're into cooking, fitness, coding, or any other niche, Payhip helps you monetize your skills. Payhip offers customizable sales pages, integration with various payment gateways, and features for creating promotional discounts. Start by adding your first product. Select digital product, and then enter your product details like title, price, and images. You can use the information and graphics provided by IDPLR to make this process easier. For pricing, start low, maybe $10 to $15, since Payhip takes a 10% cut of your sales. Upload your product image and the entire course file. This ensures that when customers buy the product, they get full access to the course. After uploading, enter a detailed course description to attract buyers. Set the product visibility to everyone and click Add Product. Once added, copy the product link and check how your product page looks. When buyers purchase your product, you receive the commission directly. Now, let's talk about driving traffic to your product. Pinterest is an excellent platform for generating free traffic. Create engaging pins related to your product and link them to your Payhip sales page. This strategy helps attract potential buyers without spending money on setting up ads. And there you have it, a game-changing strategy to achieve financial freedom without spending a dime. By leveraging platforms like IDPLR and Payhip, you can turn free resources into profitable products. Remember, success takes time, effort, and adaptability. Dive in, explore, and implement these strategies today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you never miss new content. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Keep hustling and chasing those dreams.